How to get free gifts on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you get free gifts on Temu. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app with your account. After you open Temu app, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, tap on the option U at the bottom. After you come on your profile section, look for the option for the free gift. If you find it, tap on that. After you tap on that, you will see a list of gift item. Tap on the one you want to claim. Simply you have to just tap on that. Some gift may require to invite friends or complete small tasks. If you see it, you can simply complete from there. Or you can also play daily games for free credits. For that, simply come on your home screen, tap on home at the bottom left. From here, at the top, in the search field, you'll have to search for fishland or farmland. After you search for that, you'll have to just play and complete the mission for the free reward. After that, you can redeem the reward to your Temu account. So you can also use the daily check-in for getting free rewards on Temu. And that's it. These are the methods and process you can get free rewards on Temu. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.